Hey, I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay. Welcome to Ballroom. We're going to teach you some simple tips for leading and following.
Tip number 1 is pointed connection. We have 1, my hand to her hand, fully clasped, the fingers together. Number 2, my hand on her back. And number 3, her hand on the front of my shoulder.
Resisting here, and then we both hold our own frames.
Tip number 2 is there's 2 different kinds of frames. We can take a formal frame where the elbows are picked up and parallel to the floor, or we can lower everything and have more of a casual frame, but still keeping those 1, 2, 3 points of connection.
There's also a double hand hold position if we wanted to change it up.
When generally leading, my body is what makes myself rotate and move. So I'm not going to push and pull her, I'm going to move myself as a whole to get her to move around the floor. And I'm going to rotate my body first when I want to go and change direction instead of just my foot.
Also, another tip is you want to stay left aligned. We're not going to be on all the same tracks. He's slightly going to move off the track. So now we're slightly off to the left. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This allows us to pass feet without stepping on each other. Okay, best tip I have for followers is wait, don't anticipate. All I mean is you just wait for his lead and you don't anticipate the movement beforehand. So then we can successfully dance together.
The last tip is that the leaders have to be confident no matter what, that I'm walking around the floor, and even if my steps are random, that I'll continue walking. Even if I just sway it out at the end, I need to go with conviction and move the entire body, no half baby steps. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay. And we have a much more detailed video up on our Ballroom Pro section on our website. So be sure to check that out if you're interested or didn't fully maybe understand something, want something better explained, anything like that. And subscribe for more free content. And check out our social media pages and all that stuff. See you very soon.